Well, welcome back to our elementary math class. Today we'll be considering multiples and factors of numbers. When we talk about factors of or multiples of number rather, for example, the multiple of the letter X are what we obtain when we use whole numbers to multiply X. Like what we say, I said multiples of a number are what we obtain by multiplying the number, by whole numbers. For example, the multiples of 4 are, if you say 4 times 1, you get 4. You say 4 times 2, you get 8. You say 4 times 12, 4 times 3, we get 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. These are multiples of 4. We can see that the least of them is 4 itself. But another question that may come up is, when we talk about whole numbers include natural numbers and 0. That is, we have 0 as part of whole numbers. However, if you say 4 times 0, you still get 0. If you say 5 times 0, you still get 0. It won't give distinct values. Hence, it is customary or common that when multiples of a positive number are, when we are asked to list the multiples of positive numbers, what we do is we basically include other positive numbers alone. So we don't put 0 there, even though 0 is a multiple of every number you can think of. If you say 1,000 times 0, you still get 0. So number 2 here, we talk about factors. Factors of a number. Factors of a number. Factors are basically the divisors. Those other natural numbers that can divide the number you are giving. For example, among the divisors of 6 is what? Is 2. 2 can divide 6 directly. Therefore, 2 is a factor of 6. 6 can divide itself directly one time. So 6 is also a factor of 6. So here we say factors of a number 12, for instance, are numbers which 12 is divisible by. That is, those numbers that will divide 12 without any remainder. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Each of these numbers can divide 12 directly without a remainder. So we move on to, now also, don't forget that 0 is never a factor of any number. As we saw in one of the previous videos, that any number divided by 0 will give us what? Will give us undefined. That is, mathematically does not make sense. So number 3 here, we are prime factors of a number. As the name implies here, we want to talk about factors, we want to talk about prime number. That is, among the factors of the number that we are talking about, which of them are prime numbers? Which of them are prime? So prime factors of a number 12 are factors of 12, which are also prime numbers. The prime factors of 12 include 2 and 3. You know, 4 is also a factor of 12, but 4 is not a prime number. Therefore, we cannot see it as a prime factor. So this will be the end of the multiples and factors of number. Thank you.